How to change Netflix Kid account to normal. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we will be guiding you through on how you can change the Netflix Kid account to normal. So if you're wondering how you can do it, these are the processes you may follow up. So let's just get started with the process. So first of all, go ahead and open up your Netflix and make sure you're logged in. After that, you can find your account here. So you're gonna go ahead and tap on My Netflix, which is at the bottom right corner. And after that, you can go ahead and tap on your profile. So when you tap on your profile, you will be finding all of the accounts available in that Netflix. So you're gonna look up for the option called Manage Profiles here. And after going to Manage Profiles, you will be finding all of your accounts again, including the Kid account. So we're gonna go ahead and tap on this Kid account on the pen icon, and we're gonna edit this profile. So we're gonna go ahead and look out for this Delete Profile option, which is at the last. Just go ahead and click on it. And after clicking on it, just confirm it and delete your Kid account. After the deletion is completed, we're gonna now add a profile that is normal. For that, go ahead and tap on Add Profile. And after that, on Add Profile, you're gonna type in your profile name. And after that is done, you can go ahead and save it and make sure this children's profile option is not turned on so that it won't be turned into a Netflix Kid account. And after that, simply save and you're good to go. And your Netflix Kid account should be changed into a normal account again back. So that is how you can change the Netflix Kid account to normals. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.